Plumbing core work in construction starts before walls are built. Step 1. Underground piping. Drainage and water lines are placed before slab casting. Step 2. Concealed piping. Cold and hot water pipes, drain lines and vent lines are embedded in walls. Step 3. Sleeves and risers. Vertical pipes and sleeves are placed to connect different floors. Step 4. Pressure testing. All lines are tested for leaks before finishing. Core plumbing ensures a leak-free, long-lasting home. Done right, it's out of sight, but always working. Follow for more construction tips.